What's up guys, welcome back to part 2 of the shop build. So it's about 2 weeks after we completed most of the shop, and we had an issue with the forklift. However, that has now been fixed and we should be able to get back to this now. So first thing I've got to do is move the transit. Now I do have another video coming out on this. It'll probably be out before this video, but I have been doing the gauge cluster and the dashboard, and yeah, I'm just waiting on a couple of little pieces, so yeah, get back to the shop. Anyway, let me get the steering wheel put back on this and we will move it. Well, things are moving along there rather nicely. I've got the rest of the uprights in, so that will be the size of the door, and got the wall down there finished. So a little bit of pointing to do on that, but we'll do that shortly. Also got the door in over here. So yeah, obviously room 101, but yeah, he's coming along pretty damn good there. I'm very happy with this. So the only thing we've got left to do basically now is these, got the beams to go from about there to there, but because we extended the front, we've still got to get the lumber for that and cut those to size. The other thing will be the frame that will go in for the door. Originally it was going to have a shutter door in, but I'm having a bit of difficulty getting a company to come in and do that. Again, same with in the last video what I mentioned with the roof. Just companies have just got so, like I mentioned with the roof, companies just are booked so far in advance at the moment. We're just having difficulty getting anything done. So what the plan is, we're going to put 2 conventional upright doors on that'll just swing out. Now started to bring some of the materials across for the actual door frame itself. There's some of it down there. We actually used the same shaped channel on the door here, and basically it's you know, like that, like that, and like that. So, and it actually wraps around these nicely, and then of course we can bolt it to the panel, and now this is nice and solid. I've still got those G-clamps on up there. I need to climb up there and take them off, but it'll be the same idea. It'll go up around here, and then like I say, the 2 swing doors will go onto there, and yeah, so hopefully within the next couple of days we'll have this frame in this main entrance done, and we'll sort out the lumber for this roof. And yeah, once the roof is on though, we'll be clearing all of this out. Everything will get a really good sweep out, and we're going to paint the floor basically just to seal it. It's always a good idea, and you just don't get cement dust rising all over the vehicles. But anyway, that's it for now. That's where we're at, and I think we're going to go have some lunch. Well guys, here we are at the end of day 1. We have gotten a lot done. To begin with, we got all of that finished off. We also got frame put in for the main door. Obviously we've got side door put in, and yeah, oh, and the end panels. It's been a long one, but it's been a good day. We've gotten a lot done. Very happy with the progress. So what we got left to do now is these beams connecting the front from there up to there. got one of them sitting there, we've just got to cut him. So yeah, day one, quite a success. Workshop update. Well, things are moving along a little bit with the workshop there. Now got the door frames and everything made. These will be clad in something, I'm not sure what yet. But right now I'm just on prepping things, getting stuff done for the transit. But I'm working till lunchtime, and then once lunchtime's here, then I'm clearing all of this, because tomorrow we are starting with the roof. So yeah, just thought I would just add this little bit to it, and yeah, workshop coming along good. Good morning, guys. What's up, guys? Just a little bit of an update on the workshop. As you can see, we've got both doors now complete, well, the frames anyway, but more importantly, we have a roof. It went on yesterday, so yeah, the only thing left to do now is got to get the windows in. Well, actually, got to get the frames made, get them in, and clad the doors, and then go around and basically seal up all the all the joints, and yeah, we're there. Cool. Well, there's the first coating of floor sealer. Obviously starting to dry already, but yeah, another 10-15 minutes, it'll get a second coat on, and then after that it has to wait for about 5 or 6 days, and then it'll get a coat of paint, actual proper floor paint with epoxy in it. So yeah, it's coming on good. Well, as you can see, this is almost dry. I mean, obviously along the seam there, and there's a few patches here and there, and of course over in that corner. But yeah, that's it for this concrete sealer. Very simple process. Mix it with water, spread it out with a brush. I mean, that's it. So I am probably going to end this video here. The paint to go down, this now has to sit for 5 days, so it will be next week. Now, if you've seen my transit video, you know that I'm heading back home for a while. I got some work over there that I need to take care of, so yeah. But yeah, like I said, this is just a really, these are all just update videos, but roof and everything's in, and very happy with the space. So yeah, there we have it. Anyway, that's it for now. Stay tuned for more. Mash that like button. Come back and see me sometime. Have a good one.